What are the steps to activate Disney Plus on a smart TV?
Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll be walking you through how to activate Disney Plus on your smart TV. This process is straightforward, and we'll break it down step by step for you.
Do you have a Disney Plus subscription?
Before we begin, it's important to ensure that you have an active Disney Plus subscription. You will need your login credentials to access Disney Plus on your smart TV.
Is your smart TV compatible?
Disney Plus is supported on most smart TVs, but compatibility may vary. The Disney Plus app is generally available on Samsung Tizen smart TVs, 2016 and later, LG Webos smart TVs, 2016 and later, Android TVs like Sony Bravia, and Amazon Fire TV-enabled smart TVs. Make sure your smart TV is compatible before proceeding.
How to install the Disney Plus app?
1. Turn on your smart TV. 2. Using your TV remote, navigate to your TV's App Store or Download section. 3. In the search bar, type Disney Plus and look for the official Disney Plus app. 4. Once you find it, select Install or Download to add the app to your TV.
How to activate Disney Plus on your smart TV?
1. After the Disney Plus app is installed, launch the app. 2. You'll then be prompted to log in. If you are not, navigate to the Login section. 3. Enter your Disney Plus login credentials and select Login. 4. After logging in, you may need to confirm a code that Disney Plus sends to your registered email or phone number. If required, enter the code to verify your account. 5. Once verified, you should be able to access the full Disney Plus library on your smart TV. Enjoy! And that's it. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to activate Disney Plus on your smart TV. Remember, having the correct login credentials and a compatible smart TV are key steps in this process. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite Disney Plus content right from the comfort of your living room. Happy watching!